in-car ozone generators in bulk, or should I say fake in-car ozone generators and real in-car ozone generators, because out of the 9 I bought, only 3 were real. And I'd like to tell you specifically which supplier supplied the fake ones, but I can't because when I ordered them with other things, and I was going to use the other things to identify them. But they came through quite often just randomly on their own. The Chinese suppliers just split the order up, as they so often do, because it comes from different warehouses. So the only ones I can say were absolutely completely fake that I can identify was It's Hot Sale 77 and Woo Wall. The only one that I can specifically say I think is one of the real suppliers, 48 Express-UK. 48 Express-UK, which is not UK based, it's China based. So I'm guessing, let's take a look at all the fake ones and see if they more or less contain the same thing, which was just a dull LED, a fake transistor, just with one terminal attached, and the resistor for the LED. So do they all contain the same stuff? Yep, same. Let's see if I can not ping parts of the components across. Same. Same. I wonder who manufactures these. They need a good booting. Same. And finally, the one from Woo Wall, which is the same. So they're probably all from the same supplier, and it's notable that quite a lot of them came with this packaging. Some of them came without any packaging whatsoever, maybe to save postage costs and size. But I'm not sure if Banda is just a random name that's been chosen or whatever, but these are fake. Anyway, off go the fakes. And let's see how the real ones compare. Are they all identical? So this will be a bit more delicate taking out. So there's the... Now I covered these in another video. They basically contain a Royer oscillator and a high voltage step-up transformer and then a capacitor to limit the current, maybe for safety as well, but then they use a neon lamp to couple the high voltage through the gas to the entire inside surface of the neon lamp, and then capacitively couple onto the outside mesh, which is grounded, which then creates a corona discharge and creates the ozone, and makes the lamp glow blue, which is just a side effect, but a desirable side effect. It's quite stylish. So let's see if they're all identical. Looks identical. Now these were all similar pricing. Yeah, they're all identical. These are all a similar pricing. So you can guess that the company that supplied this, the fake ones, really did save a lot of money by supplying... What they did, these glow a very dull blue. So all they did was they put a diffused blue LED in it and a resistor, a very high value resistor, so it also glows dull blue, but creates no ozone. And you can see they saved a lot of money by doing that, and reliability issues just by making it fake, which is a bit cheap and tacky. But anyway, how to identify them when you're buying them. If you look at a lot of the listings for these in-car ozone plugs, you'll find that they use the generic manufacturer's pictures, and just avoid those ones that use the generic manufacturer's pictures. Look for ones where people have actually, they're holding them up, and they're distinctively different from the other listings, because there's a very good chance they're holding one of the ones they're selling. And you're looking at the end, because they'll have close-up pictures, and you're looking at the end, you'll see the mesh and the neon lamp with a little pip in the end inside. So that's the only way you can really identify. And again, they may just end up going to the local supplier and get one of the fake ones, so you don't really know. It's a shame because someone's obviously spent a lot of time, you know, designing these and making them, and it's a shame that they've had their their image, their reputation tarnished by the fraudsters creating the fake ones. But, interesting enough, I'm glad I got a few of the real ones, and they're quite nicely made.